Let's talk about image creation. So tools for normies, you would have probably already seen it built right into GPT and to Gemini as well. Gemini's image creation, I would say, is pretty average. Canva is probably your best pick considering the rest of the Canva ecosystem is great and you'll be familiar with all of the Canva tools if you're a small business owner. We're all building amazing things in there. But ChatGPT also has image creation built in as well. And I find that GPT is a bit more reliable at creating great images. I do use Gemini for creating images in slide presentations though, and I really love it for that. If I'm in a slide and I want to add an image to the slide, I can just go on the right-hand side here. If I say, give me an image of AI overlords using image creation tools in their chat interfaces. So we hit that create button and it's going to create an image for me. Some of these come out a little bit weird, but I use them anyway because I think they're funny and kind of adds to the presentation. So here we go. So this Gemini will give you 4 different previews of images that you can use. It's very fast as well, which is great. And then you can go ahead and insert it. Now you can see some of the text will sometimes come out with weird characters. You'll get some odd kind of artifacts in there. I mean, these hands are pretty good. Usually AI is terrible at hands, and I gotta say, they are some good looking hands. So it's come a long way. If I hit insert, I can just drop that image straight in. So that's what I do use Gemini for in terms of image creation, but generally ChatGPT does a better job of that. And of course, if you're creating an actual document, then you probably want to be using Canva. If you want to go further down the rabbit hole, MidJourney is the popular one for like image generation. Figma is more like designing layouts for websites and that kind of thing. And then Adobe Firefly is for actual professionals who are editing photos in Photoshop. Now, lastly, I want to talk about something that's been making a huge splash in the tech world. Google released its new state-of-the-art AI image generation and editing model, and it's called Nano Banana. Nano Banana is powered by Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, and it's been a giant quality leap in AI image editing. You can upload a single photo and turn it into countless new creations. You can access this on your Gemini. Just click Tools, then Create Images. You can now see a banana icon beside it. Also, you can use this on your Google Slides to edit or create an image. How cool is that? If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.